How frontline professionals and international workers can buy investment properties under £100,000, which can help them work less, earn more, and retire early and wealthy. Are you a teacher? Are you a nurse? Are you an international worker who works hard, gets paid, and yet has limited savings, limited time, and maybe little or no investments? And is your life-work balance becoming slightly overbearing? And would you like to buy a property within 6 to 12 months to give you more financial security? Luis Tesnisa here from Frontline Wealth Solutions. I have got some gift for you if you stay till the end of this video. But before I do, let me reveal to you one secret. Can you imagine growing up and carrying 100 kilograms of potatoes on your head just to pay for your school fees? Surviving on less than $1 a week? One of 9 children, riding wooden bicycles on terrible mud, and only God knows how we survived. That was my life before 25 years ago. And eager to educate myself and help my family, friends, and extended members of my family, I arrived in the UK with £150 in my pocket. My life savings. Thanks to my wonderful parents who sacrificed everything to keep me away from the streets and made me educated and prepared for the future. And fast forward to today, while working in the UK here as a teacher, then an emergency nurse, and now a lecturer, I have built a property portfolio of nearly $1 million. And you may be wondering, what is the link between an immigrant, a teacher, a healthcare professional, a lecturer, and a property investor? And here is the link. While I was a teacher, here in the UK, I drowned, and healthcare professionals saved my life. They brought me back to life. They resuscitated me after lying under the pool for 4 minutes. I later left teaching, retrained as an emergency nurse, and now training other nurses to become great nurses as a lecturer. So I have been there. And what has happened and continues to happen to you frontline workers during this pandemic? Would you agree with me that frontline workers deserve better and more? That is why my mission is to inspire a community of joyful, courageous, wealthy, transformational frontline workers and immigrants like me. And that is why I have created for you a specialized property investment process, the Frontline Property Implementation Code, FPIC. Stay till the end and you will discover how to access this code. So specially designed for you, the code has some very special features. The first one, an implementation plan. We know what you need. And will you agree with me that because of your training, you like processes, you like rules, you like plans, you like lesson plans, for example, care plans, retirement plans, and residency plans, and so on. We have designed the process with you in mind, offering you a personalized implementation plan when you access it. The second thing is 5 action steps process. We know how much you work. You work really hard. So will you agree with me that your free time is so limited and that to study property investment courses for a year is impossible for you? Here you get a simple 5-step process, Frontline, designed for you to discover just enough knowledge and skills to buy your investment property within 6 to 12 months. The third feature, cost effective. Under £100,000, we know how much you earn. When I paid £26,000 for my second property training course, I did so because I wanted to learn everything about property investment and later share it with people like you. Once a teacher, of course, and a nurse, that compassion, that willingness to give back and serve others is always there. But for you, I imagine you may just want to invest just a little bit of money to learn how to buy that 1 or 2 properties. And for those of you who want to completely replace your income, either you are teaching or your nursing jobs, we also have a mentoring program designed for you, with you in mind. And you can access these through the link below. The 4th feature is its smart pension plan. To work less, earn more, and retire early. Have you taken the time to check your pension status? Do you know that when you work for over 30 years and retire, your weekly pension will be something like £300 to £400 a week? That's not good enough, is it? This code is designed to help you to use property to change your mindset, to develop the skills to earn passive income from property. And this will also add money into your pension pot. And maybe you can choose to retire early and serve as a teacher or a nurse just when you want it, where you want it, and choose how you want it. And since this is designed purely for people like you, I invite you to download my Frontline implementation code and join us in our close Facebook group for free, where you can join us each week live to learn everything you need to start this journey towards a more fulfilling career, financial security, and a smart pension. See you there and stay blessed.